Bang, 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 bang. 10 banging health benefits of moringa leaves. Number 1, it makes you look much younger than your age. Number 2, it reduces inflammation in the body. Number 3, it improves your brain health. It has positive impact on your mood. Number 4, it regulates blood sugar level. Prevention, cure. Then for your eye health, that's number 5. It helps in maintaining your eye health and prevent age-related macular degeneration. It helps in lowering cholesterol levels and preventing the risks of cardiovascular disease. It has anti-cancer properties and inhibit the growth of cancer cells, of course. Then it protects your liver from damage. Do you know that number is number 8? So number 9, moringa has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So if you are dealing with any fungal issues, your nails, your skin, you know what to do now. Your bone health, it contains calcium, phosphorus. Even apart from your bone health, it has vitamins that are excellent for your skin. Do you know you can make moringa tea? You can use moringa leaves in making your soups. You can use moringa leaves, dry them, blend, and use it in your smoothie. Let me know you got value in the comment section.